Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve mobile app design with Pinterest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Pinterest account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top. Type in keywords relevant to your app's design theme. Explore the results to gather inspiration from various design styles. Create a dedicated board for your app design ideas. Pin images that resonate with your vision onto this board. Look for color palettes that stand out in your collected images. Use Pinterest's visual search tool to find similar images. Analyze the layouts and UI components in the designs you love. Take notes on typography choices and icon styles that appeal to you. Consider the user experience showcased in the app designs. Evaluate how different designs handle navigation. Identify design trends that might align with your app's target audience. Engage with other designers on Pinterest for feedback on ideas. Join relevant group boards to expand your design reach. Use Pinterest's Related Pins feature for discovering more ideas. Periodically revisit your board to refine your design direction. Download or screenshot inspiring designs for offline reference. Leverage the findings to create wireframes or mockups. Incorporate the color schemes and typography you've gathered. Test your designs with real users to gather feedback. Revise based on insights, ensuring the design is user-centered. Continue to use Pinterest throughout the design process for ongoing inspiration. Document your journey and the decisions influenced by your Pinterest discoveries. This iterative approach will enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your mobile app. Remember, great design is an evolving process that requires continual refinement. Utilizing Pinterest makes it easier to stay inspired and informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.